सा फर्क है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा, ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन ही नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends and viewers who have joined us today for our Business Opportunity of a Chai webinar series. This is the digital representation of the business opportunity which we have got for you. Franchise India, the brand which was established with the aim and objective of providing the maximum business opportunities as well as franchise solutions to all the potential business buyers. And every day, our every activity is aimed towards it. During this webinar, we'll try to get the correct and the complete understanding about the business opportunity which we have got for you. We have invited the brand founder so that you digitally interact with him. We invite and welcome management team of Franchise India. It is our privilege that Gaurav sir, who's the chairman at Franchise India, has joined this webinar. He's hosting the webinar and he'll be sharing his insights, suggestion with each one of us so that we take a right and the conscious decision of selecting the best franchise for each one of us. It is our privilege to invite and welcome Mr. Arnab Sinha, who's founder at Uclean. Today, we are representing the most successful franchise chain in India, Uclean. It's India's fastest growing chain. They are already operational with 250 plus franchise in India and 1 international location. He started his journey in 2016 and today Uclean is among top 4 largest laundry chain in India. They provide services related to car cleaning, laundry, dry cleaning, carpet cleaning, shoe cleaning, and your house cleaning. And it's one of the fastest growing brand in the history of India. Thank you so much, Arnab, for joining in today. But before I formally invite you for the presentation, may I invite Gaurav sir to formally launch this webinar. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Archana, and welcome friends, and welcome to a very special Sunday edition of our regular business opportunity over chai. This has been a series which is running now over 14 months. We started the last lockdown and not even a single day we have missed. Every single day we have brought in a new opportunity. Today we are bringing an opportunity which has been now revisited because the kind of demand we are getting from the market. Arnab has been part of this webinar earlier, but now on a special demand because we get a lot of requests of people wanting to partner with Uclean. So we actually requested Arnab to be part of this webinar again, and he's going to share the next cycle of growth. Already he's achieved milestones, the fastest growing franchise brand in the country. He's also achieved a milestone of the largest network of laundry chain in this country. He's also reached a milestone of empowering a lot of small or micro entrepreneurs and going into markets where no franchise brands have gone. even from markets like Leh Ladakh and things of that, which are actually not in the radar for any organized player to go there. So he's actually gone to markets in Northeast and places like there where we really have to take our business opportunity. So many milestones in the journey of Uclean. But before I pass it on to Arnab to take his discussion ahead, I will quickly run through one slide and tell you about what Franchise India is doing. Franchise India is aggressively advising people in looking at different opportunities. We advise you when you're looking for a unit franchise. And today, when you talk to Arnab, you are not going to talk about only unit opportunities, but you also have some opportunities of area franchise. So we give you unit opportunities, we give you area franchise, we also give you master franchise opportunity. We have 200 plus brands which are available globally, and international brands who are looking to enter Indian market. So we have that. We have fractional ownership, which means that you don't want to own the complete business, but you want a piece of that business. You can have, this is very good for professionals who have some saving and want to invest anything which is 5 to 10 lakh rupees in fractional ownership. If you want to invest into startup itself, which means that you don't want to really take a franchise, but you want to invest into startup, that also we do that. We've also launched a program on what I call RGP. RGP is revenue generating properties. Now, these are properties which are already rented out or have potential to earn money. So a lot of people want to invest passive investment and they don't want to really actively participate in the business, and they want return. Like 9th of this month, we will launch our first product in that, where fantastic product where you will get 10% return for next 10 years, and you also own the property. So these are kind of an opportunities which are going to come in. We've also business resales, which means if you want to buy a running business, you can get that. If you're looking for setting up a joint venture, that also an opportunity available. We have an opportunity called Land to Landmark, where we help you if you have a land holding and you want to develop something which can be leisure, it can be retail, healthcare, education, or any other setup, even a petrol pump. That also we help you. We also have OEM contracts where you want to tie up with some large brand for outsourcing their manufacturing. That also is an opportunity. And we have invest abroad, which means that you want to now open up somewhere overseas, which means UK, Canada, US, Dubai. Dubai has become very favorite for Indians to go out and invest into businesses, and even Australia and Southeast Asia. So if you have any of these 11 interest points, these are 11 different opportunities which are available. Any of these you have, you can reach out to our business hotline number and we'll be more than happy to advise you. So let's get started for today's webinar, and it is a very special webinar. As I said, we like Arnab to give a little bit about his journey, because very important, so whenever you invest first on the founder and then on the concept, while his concept and his business model has been a very, very successful. And but I would like him to really start giving his journey, how it started and how he's reached here, and what is a mission with him to do next 2 to 3 years, taking the company to the next level. Over to you, Arnab.
Thank you, Gaurav sir. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity where I'm going to be presenting Uclean on the Franchise India platform. I'm just going to quickly share my presentation. So like Gaurav sir said, I would like to talk briefly about my own background. And I'm an engineering graduate from IIT Bombay. I graduated in 2008 and then worked for a couple of years before I started a company along with Gaurav sir, which is called Frank Global, where we helped international brands enter into India through the franchising route. And we also helped Indian brands expand internationally, again, via the route of franchising. I worked there for 5 years, which also gave me a lot of exposure to what was happening in international markets. My favorite market was Southeast Asia. So I used to travel a lot to Indonesia, Malaysia, and Philippines. And there I had seen how there was a laundry revolution that was happening. So if you were someone who went to a Jakarta or a Kuala Lumpur in 2010, you would hardly notice any laundry stores. And the entire culture would be dominated by the local dhobi, which is what is very common in India today. But between 2010 to 2015, I literally saw an explosion of laundromats happening across the countries. So small neighborhood laundry shops coming up, offering quality services, offering timely services, but very importantly, introducing the concept of transparency. So after Frank Global, I became the head of North India business for this hotel chain called Tribo Hotels. and Treebo today is the second largest budget hotel chain in India. So as the director for the entire North India business, I was responsible for ultimately ensuring customer delight. And there I realized that the biggest challenge in the laundry industry, or rather in the budget hotel industry at this point in time, is laundry. So customers come in, they are disappointed with the quality of bed sheets, disappointed with the quality of pillow covers, not happy with the quality of curtains, etc. And these problems kept compounding. So when I started researching the market, the initial idea was to find out a solution to this problem. लेकिन मैंने जितना ज्यादा इस प्रॉब्लम को समझा, जितना ज्यादा उसको एनालाइज किया, I realized कि the biggest challenge with the Indian laundry industry is that it is a very, very large industry, but unfortunately very unorganized. So you only have the local dhobi, and unfortunately the local dhobi does not have the access to right technology, to the right know-how, or even for that matter, he does not even have the basic equipment and chemicals required to do a good job. So I saw how big the opportunity is and how unorganized the market is. And that's when I decided to start uClean in December 2016. And we launched our first store in January 2017 in Delhi NCR. So one outlet in Delhi and one outlet in Gurgaon. And then within 6 months, what we also realized that this is a model that can be very quickly franchised, and you can enable, empower, and equip entrepreneurs across India to run their own successful and profitable uClean laundry store. So the last 4 years has been an amazing journey. Today, we have more than 250 franchisees in the system. Many of them own multiple units of uClean, and they're all running their own individual uClean show. So today's presentation would also talk about those factors and how do we decide upon which area to launch uClean in. We'll start with an explainer video, which will help you understand how the operations of a store work and how does a typical uClean store look like. Then we will talk a lot about the industry, what is exactly happening in the industry, how did uClean realize the need gaps in the industry, and उन need gaps को address करने के लिए हमने क्या-क्या changes introduce किए. Then I'll talk about the franchise formats. So uClean में आज multiple franchise formats available हैं और मैं उनके बारे में बात करूंगा. And then finally, I'll talk about the support system and the complete launchpad program that we have to enable any franchise partner to successfully go live with a uClean store. तो इससे पहले कि मैं आगे बढ़ूं, मैं क्विकली एक छोटा सा वीडियो प्ले करूंगा जिससे आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा कि एक टिपिकल uClean स्टोर कैसा दिखता है, मशीन्स कैसे होते हैं, वॉशिंग का प्रोसेस कैसा होता है, और इसके बाद आई विल टॉक मोर अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री एंड uClean की फ्रेंचाइज फॉर्मेट.
क्या 10 साल पहले किसी ने सोचा था कि हमारी जिंदगी के रोजमर्रा के आधे से ज्यादा काम स्मार्टफोन से होने लगेंगे? चाहे खाना हो या राशन मंगवाना हो, जूते खरीदने हो या फिर कपड़े खरीदना हो, सब कुछ आपके स्मार्टफोन पर. और हाँ, कपड़ों से याद आया, आजकल आपके कपड़ों की धुलाई भी आपके स्मार्टफोन पर अवेलेबल है. uClean, भारत की सबसे तेज बढ़ती हुई लॉन्ड्री चेन. अब आपको सिर्फ 9999759911 पर कॉल करना है और कुछ ही मिनटों में uClean का डिलीवरी बॉय आपके घर से कपड़े कलेक्ट कर लेगा. uClean शॉप में कपड़ों का वेट किया जाएगा और उसके बाद कपड़ों की छटाई की जाएगी, और छटाई के बाद कपड़ों को एक खास तरह के लिक्विड के साथ वॉशिंग मशीन में डाला जाएगा और आपके शर्ट्स की कफ और कॉलर खराब ना हो, इसके लिए खास केमिकल का इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा. कपड़ों के पूरी तरीके से धुल जाने के बाद उन्हें सुखाने के लिए ड्रायर मशीन में डाला जाएगा. कपड़ों के सूखने के बाद इन्हें स्टीम आयरन किया जाएगा. इसके बाद कपड़ों को एक खास तरह के पैकिंग में पैक करके आप तक पहुंचाया जाएगा, और ये सब कुछ ही घंटों में हो जाएगा. तो आज से आपके कपड़ों की जिम्मेदारी uClean की. क्यों, है ना कमाल?
So now I'll talk more about the laundry industry in general. And as you will see, there's a lot of data on this particular slide. बट जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात है नोट करने की, इसमें दो चीजें काफी खास हैं। पहली चीज तो आप देखोगे जो लॉन्ड्री इंडस्ट्री है, that is valued at more than $70 billion. It is actually bigger than the Indian restaurant industry, Indian salon industry, Indian preschool industry. But unfortunately, लोगों का exposure कम रहा है because the industry is very, very unorganized. Almost 96% of the industry even today is controlled by the local धोबी, जो आपके घर पर आता है, कपड़े लेकर जाता है और कुछ दिनों बाद कपड़ों को क्लीन करके वापस आपके घर पर डिलीवर करता है। अब जो आप उस पूरे प्रोसेस को देखोगे तो उसमें जो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है वो ये है कि प्रोसेस में बिल्कुल भी ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है। आज आपको ये नहीं पता कि आपके कपड़े कहाँ धुलते हैं, धोबी घाट पर धुलते हैं, लॉन्ड्री मैन के वॉशरूम में धुल रहे हैं, नदी के किनारे धुल रहे हैं, आपको कोई आइडिया नहीं। क्या डिटर्जेंट यूज होते हैं, कैसा केमिकल्स यूज होता है, किस तरह का पानी यूज होता है फॉर दैट मैटर, वो भी आपको कोई विजिबिलिटी नहीं है। लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिकॉज 96% मार्केट आज भी अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, लोकल धोबी कंट्रोल्ड है, तो कस्टमर के पास ज्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं है। तो व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड यू क्लीन, ये हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन या सबसे बड़ा ड्राइविंग फैक्टर था। द आइडिया वाज टू क्रिएट फ्रेंडली लोकल नेबरहुड laundromats where the machines and the steam iron table are at the store itself, and एक कस्टमर कभी भी स्टोर पर आकर सारा प्रोसेस लाइव देख सकता है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली देख सकता है कि उसके महंगे कपड़े किस तरीके से हैंडल किए जा रहे हैं। एंड इफ यू लुक एट द लॉन्ड्री इंडस्ट्री, रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान, ये तीन बेसिक नेसेसिटीज है एक इंसान की जो कभी आउट ऑफ फैशन नहीं जाएंगी। अगर आप कपड़े पहनेंगे तो कपड़ों को क्लीन भी करना है। Hence, laundry industry is one industry that is absolutely resistant to any kind of recession. Even अगर आप देखोगे तो COVID-19 में what we realized was that suddenly we had a huge inflow of new customers. तो जैसे COVID-19 आया March onwards and जैसे stores बाद में खुलना शुरू हुए, तो we started seeing that a lot of new customers were suddenly starting to use Uclean services. तो जब हमने इन customers को इंटरव्यू करना शुरू किया, so what we realized was that these customers were not new to the laundry industry. ये लॉन्ड्री बहुत सालों से करा रहे थे, बट आज तक वो लोकल धोबी से कराते थे। उसका कारण होता था या तो प्राइसिंग वाज लोअर, या फिर उनका काफी पुराना रिलेशनशिप था धोबी के साथ जो वो ब्रेक नहीं करना चाहते। बट द मोमेंट कोविड केम इन, द सेम कस्टमर सडनली गॉट वेरी स्केयर्ड। अब उनके लिए हाइजीन, उनके लिए क्वालिटी, उनके लिए ट्रांसपेरेंसी became the most important factors and pricing and relationship were no longer important. तो इसका क्या हुआ कारण, इससे क्या हुआ कि बहुत सारे जो लोकल धोबी के कस्टमर्स थे, they started migrating to Uclean. And मैं एक शहर की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ। Uclean today is live in 67 cities of India, and in all these cities we started getting a feedback from our franchise partners that a lot of customers that were traditionally using the local dhobi have started migrating to Uclean, and this is a permanent change. क्योंकि कोविड से अब लोगों के दिमाग में एक क्लैरिटी आ गई है कि सैनिटाइजेशन एंड हाइजीन आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड हेंस दे वुड वांट ट्रांसपेरेंसी, दे वुड वांट टू कम टू अ नेशनल चेन लाइक Uclean. अब दूसरी चीज है, एंड दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन दैट आई गेट आस्क्ड वेरी ऑफन, कि आपके घर पर मेड है, आपके घर पर एक वॉशिंग मशीन है, तो why would you want to outsource your laundry and not get it done at home? तो इसके लिए मैंने क्या किया है, if you see one side of your screen, I have done a very quick mathematical calculation. अगर आज आप देखेंगे तो एक 4-member फैमिली जिसमें हस्बैंड, वाइफ एंड 2 बच्चे हैं, और सपोज वहां पर उन्होंने एक 25,000 का वॉशिंग मशीन लगा दिया है, तो यू विल रियलाइज कि ऐसी फैमिली जब घर पे लॉन्ड्री करती है, and when you factor in the cost of the washing machine, you factor in the cost of the maid's salary that will go towards the laundry expenses, and on top of that जो electricity का खर्चा है, जो पानी का खर्चा है, जो detergent consumption है, और इसके साथ ही साथ हर घर में कुछ कपड़े हमेशा लोकल आयरन मैन के पास जाते हैं आयरनिंग के लिए, जो कि शायद 4 या 5 रुपए में आपको पर पीस आयरनिंग करके देता है। बड़े शहरों में जैसे मुंबई में 10 से 12 रुपए भी वो चार्ज करता है। तो आप रियलाइज करोगे जब आप सारे कॉस्ट्स को पुट टुगेदर करते हो, तो आज एक 4-member फैमिली अपने घर पर लॉन्ड्री करने में ऑलरेडी 73 रुपीज पर केजी एक्सपेंस कर रहा है। यूक्लीन के रेट्स क्या हैं? सो यूक्लीन की जो स्पेशलिटी है, वी हैव पायनियर्ड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लॉन्ड्री बाय द केजी. So we charge you according to the weights of the cloth, and then depending on which city you belong to, the rates would vary from 70 rupees per kg and go up to 90 rupees per kg. So now you can very quickly see that Uclean ना सिर्फ आपके लिए at the same cost available नहीं है. We are in fact cheaper than getting your laundry done at home, but at the same time you don't have to micromanage your maid. आपको maid के पीछे भागना नहीं है. Uclean will clean your clothes as per your convenience. You will decide what time do you want a pickup. You will decide what time do you want a delivery. कौन से कपड़ों को ड्राई क्लीन करना है, किसको लॉन्ड्री करनी है, शू क्लीनिंग करवाना है. So you get to choose your service. You can reschedule, you can cancel, you can rebook. ये सारे ऑप्शंस आपके पास अवेलेबल होते हैं. और एक एनवायरमेंटल एंगल भी है. अगर आप देखोगे तो आज एक 4 मेंबर फैमिली जब घर पे कपड़े धोती है तो एक साइकिल में आप करीब 70 से 80 लीटर्स ऑफ पानी कंज्यूम करते हो. अगर वही ये एक फैमिली यूक्लीन को कपड़े दे दे तो एक बार में मल्टीपल फैमिलीज के कपड़े भी धोए जा सकते हैं. एंड हमारे मशीन में कंजम्पशन ऑफ वाटर इज ओनली 40 to 45 लीटर्स. तो एनवायरमेंटली ऑल्सो यू आर हेल्पिंग अ लॉट, बिकॉज जो वाटर कंजम्पशन है हमारा आपके घर के कंपैरिजन में ऑलमोस्ट 70% लेसर. आजकल स्पेशली इफ यू लुक एट द मॉडर्न डे होम्स, लाइन ड्राइंग की सुविधा अवेलेबल नहीं है, आपके घर में लिमिटेड स्पेस होती है, वॉशिंग मशीन आप कहाँ रखोगे. तो यही रीजंस हैं जिसके कारण आज इंडिया में 67 सिटीज में मोर देन 8 लाख कस्टमर्स आर आउटसोर्सिंग देयर लॉन्ड्री टू यूक्लीन. While we were working on the business model और हमने काफी ज्यादा रिसर्च किया तो हमें रियलाइज हुआ कि बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टार्टअप्स इंडस्ट्री में आए हैं जो कि कोशिश कर रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री को एग्रीगेट करने का. So trying to do what Uber has done, जहां पर आप सारी कार्स को एग्रीगेट करके एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर लाते हो. So a lot of aggregators and a lot of startups were trying to do a similar formula, but unfortunately everybody was failing. और उसके काफी सारे रीजंस हैं. सबसे बड़ा जो रीजन है आप देखोगे कि वो है ट्रस्ट. इफ यू लुक एट द लॉन्ड्री सर्विसेज, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आप 80 रुपीज पर केजी में यूक्लीन से लॉन्ड्री करवा सकते हैं. अब 1 केजी में आपके 4 फॉर्मल शर्ट्स आते हैं और आज के डेट पर एक टिपिकल फॉर्मल शर्ट विल नॉट कॉस्ट यू एनीथिंग लेस देन 2000 रुपीज. तो भले आपको मैं 80 रुपीज चार्ज कर रहा हूं, बट जो प्रोडक्ट का कॉस्ट है दैट इज 8000 to 10,000 रुपीज. सो कस्टमर के दिमाग में, उसके दिल में एक हमेशा डर बना रहता है कि व्हाट इफ समथिंग गोज रॉन्ग एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड आउट माय क्लोथ्स. So that is why they want to come to a Uclean store, and that is why aggregation will never work, because aggregation model में कस्टमर को ये नहीं पता होता है कि कपड़े कहाँ पर धुल रहे हैं, कौन से स्टोर पे धुल रहे हैं. ट्रांसपेरेंसी की बात मैं कर चुका हूं. आप एग्रीगेशन की बात करते हैं तो टर्न अराउंड टाइम ऑल्सो बिकम्स अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि कस्टमर क्या चाहता है कि अगर मैं अभी कपड़े दूं तो मुझे 24 घंटे के अंदर मेरे कपड़े वापस मिल जाएं. बट व्हेन यू आर एग्रीगेटिंग देयर इज टू मेनी स्टेप्स इन द सप्लाई चेन, and you will end up taking anywhere between 72 hours to even a week to deliver clean clothes. But in our case, because the stores already have the machines in place, we can do the entire delivery in 24 hours, which gives the customer the comfort level that he or she is seeking. टेक्नोलॉजी से आज तक आप देखोगे तो लास्ट 10 साल को अगर मैं छोड़ दूं तो लॉन्ड्री इंडस्ट्री डिस्पाइट बीइंग सो लार्ज वो टेक्नोलॉजी से अछूता था. There was no technology, customers को ट्रैकिंग की सुविधा नहीं थी, customers को ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर्स प्लेसमेंट की सुविधा नहीं थी, and customer wanted this because customer is now used to technology, customer is used to applications, and the customer was demanding it, and that is why we introduced not only the website, we also developed the apps, and we also have a centralized IVRS based call center from where a customer can place an order. Now Uclean वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन की मैं बात करूंगा तो ये जितने भी इंडस्ट्री के नीड गैप्स थे और जो इंडस्ट्री की चैलेंजेस थी उनके बेसिस पर हमने पूरा Uclean बिजनेस मॉडल और Uclean का स्ट्रक्चर बनाया. जैसा मैंने बताया कि विद इन 6 months ऑफ रनिंग द ऑपरेशंस वी रियलाइज दैट दिस इज अ मॉडल दैट कैन बी वेरी क्विकली स्केल्ड एंड यू कैन वेरी क्विकली ट्रेन अ पैशनेट एंटरप्रेन्योर. You can enable him, you can equip him, and you can empower him to run his own show. So that is when we decided that this model is absolutely cut out for franchising, and we started franchising. So the value proposition when you are availing a service from a Uclean store as a customer is that we are a one-stop shop. तो आज के डेट पर हम सिर्फ आपके कपड़े नहीं धोते, आपको अगर ड्राई क्लीनिंग चाहिए, आपको शू क्लीनिंग, आपको कारपेट क्लीनिंग, बैग्स क्लीनिंग, किसी भी तरह की सर्विसेज के रिक्वायरमेंट है तो Uclean can very profitably and very successfully provide that to you. Apart from that, we also provide you the independence. So as a customer, you can buy packages, and I will tell you that we have a very significant number of customers who become subscribers. तो वो स्टार्ट तो करते हैं एक वन ऑट सर्विस से या 2-3 बार सर्विस लेते हैं, बट जैसे उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हो जाता है, दे स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग दैट दे विल कीप कमिंग बैक टू Uclean, they start subscribing to packages. These could be quarterly packages, these could be 6 months packages or even a 1 year package. And यहाँ पर जो हमारी कस्टमर डिलाइट टीम है, वो कस्टमर के रिक्वायरमेंट्स को अंडरस्टैंड करती है, उनके फैमिली साइज को अंडरस्टैंड करती है. They try to figure out how much laundry they would need on a monthly basis, and then they create very beautiful monthly packages. So our target is that for any Uclean store anywhere in India, they should have anywhere between 50 to 100 customers that have subscribed to some kind of a package. Apart from that, हमने एक जो बहुत बड़ा मुहिम स्टार्ट किया, which is we partnered with this organization called अखिल भारतीय धोबी महासमाज, जो इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है that tries to give a voice and representation to the local Iron Man and to the local dhobis. हमने उनके साथ पार्टनर किया because our idea is never to eliminate the dhobi. The dhobi has a lot of knowledge, he has a lot of understanding and a lot of know-how of the clothes. What he doesn't have is the equipment, the chemicals or the technology. So हमारे अब जितने भी स्टोर्स पर देखोगे जो आयरन मैन है या जो लोकल धोबी है, आप रियलाइज करोगे कि जो सेटअप है स्टोर में, ये लोग हमने इनको लोकल कम्युनिटी से ही सोर्स किया है. सो आज एक आयरन मैन जो आपके घर के सामने खड़ा होता है, उसके लिए लाइफ इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. वो पूरे दिन भी काम करेगा तो वो ऑन अ पर डे बेसिस उसकी इनकम आप देखोगे तो 200, 250, 300 रुपए होती है. पूरे महीने में वो 9,000 से 10,000 रुपए की इनकम कमाता है, एंड साथ में उसको डिफिकल्ट वेदर्स एटसेट्रा को भी फेस करना पड़ता है. तो हम ऐसे लोगों को, ऐसे आयरन मैन को ऑन बोर्ड लाते हैं, and we provide them the right kind of working environment, the right kind of training, and they become Uclean team members. जो हमारा cost structure है, and I'll talk a lot about it in the future slides, you will realize that our cost structure is very lean. As a store, अगर आप एक franchise लेते हो तो आपके जो cost हैं, fixed costs, वो काफी low हैं, and variable cost is only a percentage of the total sales. As a customer, like we talked about before, there are multiple channels, customer website के through, application के through, WhatsApp के through, या directly store को call करके भी order place कर सकता है. And the customer segments are infinite. Literally, अगर आप अपने आसपास देखोगे तो जितने possible families हैं, bachelors हैं, households हैं, students हैं, you would realize that everyone is a prospective customer of Uclean. Apart from that, we focus a lot on marketing efforts to make sure that when a franchise partner launches in a new neighborhood, the people living in and around that area get to know about Uclean. Now, this is the overall footprint, and we are very proud to say that today Uclean has a very equal representation in metro and non-metro cities. So as of today, Uclean has more than 250 franchise partners across 67 cities of India, and we are serving more than 1,000 pin codes in the country currently. We have more than 8 lakh unique customers that are availing Uclean services across these 67 cities. But the most impressive thing is that the kind of growth that we have seen in tier 2 and tier 3 cities of India, where Uclean has become an aspirational brand. So the moment we debut in a city like Guwahati, or we go to a city like Ranchi, or we go to a city like Belgaum, what we have seen is that we don't even have to do a lot of marketing, because customers already know about Uclean. They know that it's a Delhi-based, Delhi-headquartered brand, and they're more than happy than when they start getting the same services in their city. So जो हमारी tier 2 and tier 3 की growth story है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा amazing रही है. We have got a lot of love and lot of business from tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and ये business बढ़ता जा रहा है. In fact, आप देखेंगे तो 2019 और 2020 में Uclean was the fastest growing franchise brand in India across all sectors. In 2020, when the entire country was grappling with the problem of COVID-19, we were able to open 65 new stores, and we were able to debut in more than 20 new cities. And all this speaks volumes about what our franchise partners and what our team members have achieved. If you will also look at the overall rating, you would see that Uclean is the most loved laundry and dry cleaning brand in India today. आज के डेट पर मैं आपको एक सिंपल सा एक्सरसाइज बोलूंगा. आप गूगल पे जाके यूक्लीन के बारे में सर्च करें, यूक्लीन के स्टोर्स विजिट करें, यूक्लीन की रेटिंग देखें. You will realize that Uclean has an average rating of 4.4 on a scale of 5. When the overall laundry industry की rating आप देखोगे तो वो 3.5 भी नहीं है on a scale of 5. So hats off to our franchise partners who have realized the importance of repeat business in the laundry industry and have focused very minutely on customer delight. When we talk about technology, we have a very strong suite of software. I have already talked about the fact कि एक customer एक Uclean store को multiple channels के through reach out कर सकता है, through the website, through the apps, or through the Uclean call center. He can also call up the store directly. But as a franchise partner, when you join the Uclean system, you also get a proprietary software from our side. ये हमारा unique software है. Industry में we are the only company in India right now that has their own proprietary software. And इस software से आप सारी billing, invoicing, customer management, customers को SMS भेजना, supply chain management, this is a one-stop shop. तो आज आप maybe सतना में अपना एक store खोलना चाहते हैं, या maybe you want to open a store in Pune and you can literally manage your Pune store sitting in London. आप वहां से देख सकते हो आपके store पे कितना sales हो रहा है, कितने invoices हैं, कौन से customer ने कौन सी service ली, कितना detergent consume हुआ, कितना packaging material consume हुआ. You can monitor everything remotely sitting anywhere in the world. Now, this is the online presence. And again, this is a very open, transparent exercise. So any of you can go to alexa.com and you can see the ratings of Uclean website or the ranking of Uclean website. आप Google पे जाकर हमारी SEO rankings देख सकते हैं. आप realize करोगे कि आप इंडिया में कहीं पर भी जहां पर Uclean present है, अगर वहां पर आप ड्राई क्लीनर्स, लॉन्डरर्स, ऐसी सर्विसेज ढूंढोगे तो Uclean हमेशा फर्स्ट पेज पे आएगा. एंड आजकल कस्टमर्स बहुत कॉन्शियस हैं, वो गूगल पर जाते हैं, गूगल पे सर्च करते हैं, रेटिंग्स वगैरह देखते हैं, उसके बाद डिसीजन लेते हैं. तो फॉर्चुनेटली बिकॉज ऑफ द अमेजिंग वर्क डन बाय आवर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग टीम, we will always come on the first page and the customer will always be able to discover us and eventually place an order. Now, this is a team, and this is, I would say, the most important part of the Uclean franchise system today. We are only as good as our team. तो जब हमने Uclean की शुरुआत करी थी, and शुरुआत में I was joined by 3 team members, Aman, Dinesh, and Gunjan, and we started Uclean at that point in time. But over the next 4.5 years, we have been blessed to have got so many team members that have stayed with us in the longer run. मैं अगर कोविड की बात करूं तो we were also going through difficult times, and a lot of these team members themselves volunteered to take salary cuts to make sure that the brand is able to survive and the brand is able to continue to grow. So as a franchise partner जब आप जुड़ते हो तो ये सारे team members जिनको मैं अपने co-founders मानता हूं, they will be a part of your journey. Everyone will be added on WhatsApp groups. So what we do is when you join the Uclean team, when you become a franchise in the Uclean system, we create a specific WhatsApp group for you where we have all these core team members and co-founders of Uclean that are added, that are there to support you whenever you need them. They are 24/7 available, they are 24/7 accessible, and they would also behave like they're owners of your store, and they would be completely invested in your success and your profitability. Now, when I talk about the franchise model, which is what we have all gathered here for today, our franchise model, we can divide it into 4 parts. The first is what we call the regular franchise model, which is what is most popular in India right now, and which is best suited for the top 150 cities of India. The second model is a smaller model, which would work better in rural areas. So it's called the Uclean mini model. The third is a new model that we have developed, which is called the exclusive area developer model. और इसके बारे में मैं आगे जाकर और भी बात करूंगा. और जो लास्ट मॉडल है ये हमने स्पेशली कोविड के दौरान निकाला है, जहां पर हमें रियलाइज हुआ कि काफी सारे छोटे छोटे लॉन्ड्री ऑपरेटर्स कोविड के कारण स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, तो हमने उनके लिए कंप्लीट रेड कारपेट प्रोग्राम इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, जहां पर ऐसे छोटे छोटे स्टैंड अलोन लॉन्ड्री एंड ड्राई क्लीनिंग ऑपरेटर्स जो कोविड के कारण अपना बिजनेस रन करने में सक्सेसफुल नहीं है, वो हमारे साथ जुड़ते हैं, यूक्लीन में अपग्रेड होते हैं और उनको सारा सपोर्ट मिलता है जो एक यूक्लीन फ्रैंचाइज पार्टनर को मिलता है। आप क्विकली एक कंपैरिजन देख लें। जो रेगुलर मॉडल है, जो हमारा मॉडल जो सबसे पॉपुलर है, ये इंडिया के टॉप 100 to 150 सिटीज के लिए बेस्ट सूटेड है, जहां पर आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट रेंज है करीब 15 से 17 लाख के बीच में। रिटर्न्स आपको 5 साल में करीब 300% का मिलेगा। आपका डेली इन्वॉल्वमेंट इसमें रिक्वायर्ड होगा, सो आपको दिन भर स्टोर पर नहीं बैठना है, बट यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट समवन फ्रॉम द फैमिली एटलीस्ट स्पेंड सम टाइम एट द स्टोर. You should be able to recover your entire investment in about 15 to 18 months, and the period of the agreement would be 5 years. The second model is something that we are specially curated for the talukas and the blocks of India, जो छोटे छोटे गांव होते हैं, छोटे छोटे तालुकाज होते हैं, जहां पर लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं, एंड हमें बहुत डिमांड आता है, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वहां पर लोगों की इन्वेस्टमेंट एपेटाइट कम होती है, मार्केट पोटेंशियल भी कम होता है। तो हमने उनके लिए स्पेशली एक रूरल मॉडल क्यूरेट किया है, जहां पर इन्वेस्टमेंट कम है, आपका रिटर्न्स बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है, एंड इनफैक्ट कोई अगर अपने गांव में कुछ बिजनेस करता है तो उसके लिए एक साइड इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी भी बनती है, क्योंकि इन्वेस्टमेंट कम है तो करीब 12 महीने में आप सारा अमाउंट रिकवर कर लेंगे, और इसमें भी 5 साल का अग्रीमेंट होगा। जो तीसरा मॉडल है, जो बहुत यूनिक मॉडल है, विच इज कॉल्ड द एक्सक्लूसिव एरिया डेवलपर मॉडल, ये छोटे शहरों में या बड़े शहरों के छोटे पॉकेट्स में काफी काम आएगा, जहां पर एज अ फ्रैंचाइज पार्टनर आप एक सिंगल यूनिट लगाओगे और विद इन अ सर्टेन एरिया आपके पास 4 से 5 कलेक्शन सेंटर्स खोलने के राइट्स मिलेंगे। इसमें आपके लिए ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपको मार्केट की अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो और आपकी स्ट्रॉन्ग नेटवर्किंग हो, ताकि आप आसपास से और फ्रैंचाइज पार्टनर्स जोड़ सकें जो कलेक्शन सेंटर्स ओपन करेंगे। इसमें आपकी रिकवरी का टाइम करीब 30 मंथ्स होगा और पूरा टेन्योर ऑफ द अग्रीमेंट 7 years होगा। जो लास्ट मॉडल है, विच इज द रेड कारपेट प्रोग्राम, दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ऑलरेडी इन द लॉन्ड्री इंडस्ट्री। आप हो सकता है एक स्टैंड अलोन ऑपरेटर हो, या आप किसी एग्जिस्टिंग ब्रांड के फ्रेंचाइजी हो जो अच्छा नहीं परफॉर्म कर पा रहा हो, तो आप यूक्लीन से जुड़ सकते हैं। आपको हम यूक्लीन में अपग्रेड करेंगे और आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे टू फर्स्ट हेल्प यू ब्रेक इवन, एंड देन ऑल्सो हेल्प यू रिकवर योर इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड बिकम प्रॉफिटेबल। ये इसमें भी आपका जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो करीब 12 महीने में रिकवर कर लेंगे आप, और हमारा अग्रीमेंट आपके साथ 5 साल का होगा। ये हमारा बिगेस्ट मॉडल है, द मोस्ट फेमस मॉडल, एंड द मॉडल विच हैज बीन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर टेकिंग अस टू मोर देन 250 फ्रैंचाइजीज टुडे, विच इज द यूक्लीन रेगुलर मॉडल। यहां पर आपको रिक्वायरमेंट होगी 250 स्क्वायर फीट एरिया की, जिसमें कि हमें 1000 लीटर पानी और 12 किलोवाट 3 फेज इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी। आपका टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट, जिसमें कि आपकी मशीन्स हो गई, आपके एक्सेसरीज हो गए, पूरे स्टोर का सेटअप हो गया, ब्रांडिंग एंड साइनेजेस वगैरह हो गए, प्लस हमारी फ्रैंचाइज फी है, करीब 16 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट आएगा। 16 lakhs is what you need to invest on a 250 square feet kind of a setup. Now, when I talk about a typical Uclean store, and 2 साल में आप देखोगे तो such a Uclean store would be doing sales of anywhere between 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees on a per month basis. Such a store would have 8,000 unique customers that would be regularly availing services from Uclean. Average ticket size करीब 520 रुपए का है, और एक स्टोर, ऐसा टिपिकल स्टोर महीने में करीब 650 से 700 ऑर्डर्स को सर्विस करता है, और सारे खर्चे हटाने के बाद you would be able to make about 1.5 to 1.7 lakh rupees on a per month basis as profitability. So आप जो शुरुआत में इन्वेस्ट करते हो 15 से 16 लाख, वो रिकवर करने में आपको 15 से 18 महीने का समय लगेगा। आप एक मशीन के साथ करीब अपने पीक पर पहुंच जाएंगे 10 से 12 महीने में, जब आपका सेल 3.5 से 4 लाख के बीच में होगा, और सारे खर्चे हटाकर करीब 1.5 लाख की प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी होगी। मैं एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा स्पेशली, कि हमने एक स्पेशल टेक्नोलॉजी इंट्रोड्यूस की है इन कोलैबोरेशन विद अलायंस लॉन्ड्री सिस्टम्स, जहां पर हम एग्जिस्टिंग लॉन्ड्री मशीन को ड्राई क्लीन मशीन में भी कन्वर्ट करते हैं। तो इस मॉडल में वो भी होगा। तो आप अपने सेम मशीन से नॉट ओनली विल यू बी एबल टू डू वॉश एंड ड्राई, यू विल ऑल्सो बी एबल टू डू ड्राई क्लीनिंग। तो सारे सर्विसेज आप एक मशीन से कस्टमर्स को ऑफर कर सकेंगे। जो दूसरा मॉडल है विच इज अ रूरल मॉडल, वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड मॉडल। इंडिया में अगर आप देखोगे तो 5000 से ज्यादा तालुकाज हैं, छोटे छोटे ब्लॉक्स, छोटे छोटे गांव, उनके लिए ये मॉडल बिल्कुल सूटेड है, जहां करीब 150 स्क्वायर फीट के एरिया पे आप 11 लाख के इन्वेस्टमेंट में एक यूक्लीन की शुरुआत कर सकते हैं। हम ये मॉडल ऑलरेडी काफी जगहों पे चला रहे हैं, स्पेशली नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया, झारखंड, अप इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। तो यहाँ पर ये मॉडल हमने बहुत सक्सेसफुली पिवट किया है, और ऐसे ऐसे स्टोर हमारे ऑलरेडी 12-13 महीने पुराने हैं सिस्टम में, जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी अपने सारे इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट 11-12 लाख का वो रिकवर कर चुके हैं। एक टिपिकल रूरल मॉडल का स्टोर अपने पीक पर 2.5 से 3 लाख रुपए पर मंथ की सेल्स जनरेट करता है, जिसमें आपकी लॉन्ड्री सर्विसेज, आपकी शू क्लीनिंग, बैग क्लीनिंग, सैनिटाइजेशन वगैरह की सर्विसेज आती हैं। और जो आपने शुरुआत में इन्वेस्ट किया है वो रिकवर करने में आपको करीब 12 महीने का समय लगेगा। जो तीसरा मॉडल है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मॉडल है अंडरस्टैंड करना। दिस इज द एरिया डेवलपर मॉडल, जहां पर हम आपको एक छोटे शहर का एक्सक्लूसिव राइट्स देंगे। मान लीजिए एक छोटा शहर जहां की आबादी 2.5 से 3 लाख की है, तो वहां के लिए ये मॉडल इज वेरी सुटेबल, वेयर द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द एंटायर विलेज और एंटायर टाउन इज अबाउट 2.5 to 3 लाख पीपल। You will get the exclusive rights कि उस particular town में only you will have the rights to set up the plant. So this will become the proof of concept for that market. The plant will have the machinery, the plant will have all the necessary infrastructure, and thereafter we will work with you on appointing collection centers. And these collection centers will be very small setup, typically on an area of 50 to 100 square feet, and they will not have any equipments inside the store. So these collection centers would only be responsible for collection of clothes, and collection के बाद सारे गंदे कपड़े प्लांट के पास जाएंगे, जहां से उनकी धुलाई होगी और वापस कलेक्शन सेंटर पे आएंगे और आगे फिर कस्टमर्स को डिलीवर किए जाएंगे। तो इसमें बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड 6 स्टेप्स है। पहले जो ऑर्डर प्लेस करेगा कस्टमर, वो कलेक्शन सेंटर के पास आएगा। कलेक्शन सेंटर विल गो टू द कस्टमर्स प्लेस, पिक अप द क्लोथ्स। उसके बाद कपड़े कलेक्शन सेंटर पे आने के बाद वहां से प्लांट की गाड़ी आएगी, सारे कपड़ों को लेकर प्लांट पर जाएगी। उसके बाद प्लांट पे पूरी प्रोसेसिंग होगी, क्लीनिंग होगी, पैकेजिंग होगी, एंड द प्लांट विल डिलीवर बैक द क्लोथ्स टू द कलेक्शन सेंटर। और उसके बाद कलेक्शन सेंटर विल फर्दर डिलीवर द क्लोथ्स टू द कस्टमर एंड कलेक्ट द रेवेन्यू। जितना भी रेवेन्यू आएगा दैट वुड बी शेयर्ड ऑन अ 50-50 बेसिस बिटवीन द प्लांट एंड द कलेक्शन सेंटर। एज द प्लांट ओनर हम इनिशियली अभी एरिया डेवलपर ढूंढ रहे हैं। जो एरिया डेवलपर होगा उनको करीब 17 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा ऑन सेटिंग अप दिस प्लांट। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वी विल टेक अ फ्रैंचाइज फी ऑफ 12 लाख रुपीज फॉर गिविंग यू द राइट्स फॉर दैट एंटायर एरिया एंड गिविंग यू द राइट्स दैट उस एरिया में प्लांट सिर्फ आपका एस्टैब्लिश होगा। उसके बाद आपको करीब 25 स्क्वायर मीटर का एरिया ग्रांट किया जाएगा, जिसको आप सर्विस करोगे थ्रू योर ओन प्लांट एज वेल एज थ्रू द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज कलेक्शन सेंटर्स। And जो भी revenue आएगा that will be shared on a 50-50 basis between the plant and the collection center. इसमें जो royalty हम charge करेंगे as a brand that will be directly dependent on the volume of the clothes. और जितना ज्यादा हम आपके लिए volume generate करेंगे उतना हम incrementally higher royalty लेंगे। और इसका reason ये है कि इससे हमारा interest भी बहुत ज्यादा रहेगा in making sure कि आपका plant profitable हो और आपके plant के अंदर maximum number of collection centers open up within the shortest possible time. In fact, collection center जो franchise fee pay करेंगे that will also be shared on a 50-50 basis between the area developer and the brand. We expect that this model would become a reach, you will be able to recover your investment in about 30 months. और अगर आप देखोगे तो 7 साल में जो आपने शुरू में इन्वेस्ट किया है उस पे आपको 900% का ग्रोथ मिलेगा। हमने ये मॉडल ऑलरेडी कुछ शहरों में स्टार्ट किया है, मॉडल नया है, but we are clearly seeing that over the period of next 5 to 7 years, the franchisee or the area developer would be able to make anywhere between 500% to 1000% of what he has initially invested. The last model is a very straightforward model, and this has been specially created to benefit the laundry industry. तो अगर आज आप laundry industry में हैं, आपका खुद का एक dry cleaning का shop है या laundry का shop है, और आप struggle कर रहे हैं, आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि आप ब्रेक इवन कैसे करें, प्रॉफिटेबल कैसे बने, जो आपने पैसे इन्वेस्ट किए हैं उसको कैसे रिकवर करें, then this model is exactly tailor made for you, where we will collaborate with you. आपको एक्स्ट्रा मशीन या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ यूक्लीन की ब्रांडिंग करनी पड़ेगी, and there will be a franchise fee, and then we will be extending you the same support that we extend to any Uclean franchisee. Now, this is the overall support system, and anyone who is joining the Uclean franchise business, it is very important for you to be cognizant of this support system. Our support is divided into what I call the 3S and the 3T brackets. तो जहां तक अगर आप एक नए शहर में या आप एक एग्जिस्टिंग सिटी में एक यूक्लीन का स्टोर लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं, तो हमारे पास एक रियल एस्टेट टीम भी है that can help you finalize the right location, both from a technical perspective as well as from a market potential perspective. हमारे पास वेंडर्स हैं जो पूरा स्टोर को सेटअप कर सकते हैं स्क्रैच से. हमारी पूरी सप्लाई चेन इंटरनलाइज्ड है, तो हम अपने केमिकल्स खुद बनाते हैं, अपने पैकेजिंग मटेरियल खुद बनाते हैं, और आप डायरेक्टली सॉफ्टवेयर से ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हो एंड सारा मटेरियल आपके डोर स्टेप पे डिलीवर हो जाएगा. टेक्नोलॉजी की बात मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूं. एक बहुत खास एंड इंपॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि हमें ये पता है कि एज अ फ्रेंचाइज पार्टनर it might not be easy for you to recruit blue-collared manpower. So we take the complete responsibility for recruiting your team, for training them, and for deploying them at your store. And future में कभी attrition होता है, बंदे भाग जाते हैं, तो उनका replacement लाना, उनको train करना भी हमारी जिम्मेदारी है. और training का कोई cost नहीं है. आप जितनी बार training चाहे करवा सकते हैं, जितने बार भी आपके बंदे जाते हैं, नए बंदे हम ला कर देंगे, and none of this has any cost associated with it. Last but not the least is where we talk about the marketing efforts. तो जहां तक हम marketing की बात करते हैं, वहां पर we help you with online marketing as well as offline marketing. Online marketing is where we will take the lead. तो we have a very strong digital marketing team. और अब जब किसी भी एरिया में एक नया यूक्लीन का स्टोर लॉन्च करेंगे, तो हमारी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग टीम will make sure कि आपके आसपास में जो 2-3 किलोमीटर में कस्टमर्स रहते हैं, उनके नेबरहुड में यूक्लीन आ चुका है और ये सारी सर्विसेज वो ऑफर कर रहा है. इसके लिए पेड गूगल मार्केटिंग, पेड इंस्टाग्राम मार्केटिंग, पेड फेसबुक मार्केटिंग, ये सारा कुछ हम प्ले करते हैं. लोकल लेवल पे आपको मार्केटिंग करनी पड़ेगी. वहां पर भी हमारी मार्केटिंग टीम आपके नेबरहुड को समझेगी, एरिया को समझेगी, आपको गाइड करेगी कि राइट मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटीज क्या हो सकती हैं, सारे डिजाइन्स प्रोवाइड कराएंगी. लोकल एग्जीक्यूशन वुड बी योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Before I conclude this particular side, I'm very happy to share कि while हमारी जर्नी सिर्फ 4.5 साल की है, but in 4.5 years में 25% ऐसे यूक्लीन फ्रेंचाइज पार्टनर्स हैं जिन्होंने एक से ज्यादा यूक्लीन में इन्वेस्ट किया है. उन्होंने शुरुआत तो एक यूक्लीन से करी, बट उन्हें रिजल्ट अच्छा मिला, उन्हें इंडस्ट्री पसंद आई, उन्होंने अपने पैसे बहुत क्विकली रिकवर कर लिए, और इसके बेसिस पर उन्होंने आगे जाकर मल्टीपल यूक्लीन स्टोर्स में इन्वेस्ट करा हुआ है. सो वी वुड लव टू कोलैबोरेट, वी वुड लव टू पार्टनर विद एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हु हैव अ लॉन्ग टर्म विजन, जो चाहते हैं कि वो एक यूक्लीन से तो शुरुआत करें, बट लॉन्ग टर्म में मल्टीपल यूक्लीन्स करना चाहते हो. Maybe they'll want to look at the various formats that are available. We would love to partner with such entrepreneurs. ये लास्ट स्लाइड है where we are talking about the Launchpad program for franchisees. तो इसमें समझना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जिस दिन आपने डिसाइड किया कि आप यूक्लीन के साथ आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो, आपने एक लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट साइन करा, एक टोकन मनी पेमेंट करी, उससे लेके 6 हफ्ते के दिन वी विल मेक यू गो लाइव. शायद कम टाइम में भी हो जाए, बट आवर टारगेट इज दैट जिस दिन से आपने यूक्लीन में ट्रस्ट कंफर्म करा, यू हैव डिसाइडेड टू साइन द लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड, आवर टारगेट विल बी टू मेक यू गो लाइव विद इन द नेक्स्ट 6 weeks. So that's it from my side. If there are any questions, happy to take them up.
Thank you, Arnab. A great presentation, and a lot of new models being launched because a lot of people know about Uclean, and that was the reason we brought Arnab back, because he's launched some very interesting models, and we'll get into detail of this each model. But there are a few questions which I will start with. Mr. Upender is asking a lot of questions. So quickly, if we can do a rapid round on that, that would be good. So one is a price of per kg, and you said that it will change in different cities and different structure, but what is the market structures that you can really address? So say whatever price in Delhi and what would be a price in a Guwahati. Let's do a comparison on that.
Sure, sure. So when we talk about Delhi, our pricing, when it comes to, we have two services, which are our core services in laundry. One is wash and iron, which we do on a per kg basis. And the second is wash and fold, where no ironing is involved. So we will wash your clothes, we will dry them, and we will properly fold them, package them, and give it back to you. So when I talk about Delhi, our wash and iron pricing is 90 rupees per kg, and wash and fold pricing is 60 rupees per kg. When I talk about Guwahati, our wash and iron pricing is 80 rupees per kg, and wash and fold pricing is 50 rupees per kg.
Thank you. That was good. So, Upender, you must have got the answer. Upender has also another question, which is very interesting, and I know that you had number of time discussion. He's saying that if the washing machine can be given on rental, is there a possibility or not possibility at this stage? And also, I will link this with this because I know you're talking to a lot of bankers also to organize some loans, because people, if they can get some kind of a loan, it becomes easier, because this business is a cash business. You can get started and you can build your monthly income, because at this stage after COVID, a lot of people are looking for making a fixed, maybe small income, but fixed income, but they might like to avail a loan. So what kind of loans are available? What kind of facility we at your Uclean level you can offer any support through MSME or anything which happens, so that a lot of people can do it, and especially people who are hardworking, they can work in their own store. It is a great opportunity if they take a little bit loan and a little bit of their own equity, and then this can be a great income for themselves. I say always, franchising is all about buying yourself a business, which is also like a job, so you get paid out of your own business. So any comments on that, Arnab?
Sure. So in fact, a lot of our franchise partners have taken loan from different banks. So from that perspective, there is a precedence that has already been set. So banks, both national level banks like State Bank of India and Punjab National Bank, have extended loans to Uclean. And how it has helped is because now a story has been set. So getting loan for any future franchisees becomes much more easier. There is also loan from private banks like Yes Bank and other banks also that are extending loans to Uclean franchisees. So that is there. But apart from that, previously, a lot of franchisees have also taken loan from government. So if I talk about Gujarat in particular, almost all my franchisees have taken Mudra loan. While now a different scheme has been introduced by the Gujarat government where they're offering highly subsidized loan to women entrepreneurs. So if you look at Gujarat, almost all my franchise partners are also women entrepreneurs. So we do work with the governments, we do work with state governments also. And if I talk about a state like Maharashtra, there are special loans that are offered to the laundry entrepreneurs. In fact, we have just signed a franchisee in Hyderabad, and he has also availed a special laundry loan that the government of Telangana is extending. So there are a lot of schemes, and we would be more than happy to share a lot of schemes that are available and a lot of banks that are currently financing the Uclean franchisees.
Rather, I was part of the Telangana government policy making, where we included laundry as one of the areas to be included for Telangana government to help, especially their tribal communities to get into some kind of a business. So this loan is available, and this is also available in many other states also. So you can really do that. So the question Upender is still asking is that, can he get the rental of the equipment? Is it possible? Can some kind of structure can be done where he can do the rental? That's one question. And also added to that question is that Mukesh is asking that pricing in Pune would be what? Pune is a phenomenal market for laundry, phenomenal market. Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, these are markets where exploding. Chennai is exploding for laundry. So any pricing strategy or any special strategy you have for these markets?
Sure. So what we do is we have a dedicated pricing team. And whenever we launch a new city, our pricing team actually does a complete analytics to understand what are the prevalent price points in that particular market. They also understand the input costs like rentals and manpower costs that would be there in the city. And basis that, then they decide the pricing for that particular city. The overall theme is that we want to be as competitive to the local market as possible. And I'll give you an example. So since the question is around Pune, we are currently charging 90 rupees per kg for wash and iron services in Pune, which is what almost all the other competitors are charging. In fact, if you look at the local Dhobi in Pune, he's also charging anywhere between 40 to 50 rupees per pair in Pune. And two pairs would basically constitute 1 kg. So even the local Dhobi in Pune today is charging anywhere between 80 to 100 rupees on a per kg basis.
Very, very interesting. And now we come down to very interesting model you've launched, and that model to me is a winner, for especially for smaller city where you can really build a legacy business. You can build a legacy recurring business coming to you when you become an area developer. And Shashank is asking that same question. Give us a little bit more understanding and how the earning potential would become. Say, if I want to start in a particular city, and give us city example also, that you take a city, what kind of opportunity would be that, how many collection centers you can do, what kind of overall load you can do, and what kind of incomes you can do from your, it's like a factory and distribution together coming through. Is you set up a factory, which is a hub, and spoke is your distribution center, which kind of creates a last mile connect. And technology has given you ability with the Uclean now, you can do a hyper local connectivity with people. It's a phenomenal opportunity, it's a tremendous opportunity. But we would like to hear from you, Arnab, what is that opportunity and how you want to really, facilitate that for entire thing. And some cities immediately come to your mind and say, these 10 cities are no brainer, we want to do it.
Sure. So I would say the target is cities that are not tier 1 or tier 2. So I'll give us a relevant example because we are piloting this model there. So there's a very small city called Dhuliajan in Assam. And the population of this city is roughly about 2.5 lakh or 50,000 households. What we have done there is that right in the middle of the city, we are setting up this centralized unit, which will have laundry, dry cleaning, and steam ironing capabilities. Apart from that, this particular center would also have capabilities to clean footwear as well as bags. And it will have a team of 4 people who would be doing all these jobs. Now, what we are going to do next is we would be setting up collection centers, which would be about, say, 1 or 2 kilometers from this particular plant. Now, these collection centers, they can be set up in an investment as small as 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees, where there will be 2 lakh will be the franchise fee and 1.5 to 2 lakh would be the cost of setting up the entire collection center. These collection centers would typically be a side investment opportunity for people in Dhuliajan because it does not really require you to spend a lot of time at the collection center. The clothes would be collected by the collection center from the customer's premise. Then the plant would be required to send a vehicle at a fixed time every day to pick up the dirty clothes from the collection center and deliver the clean clothes from the previous day back to the collection center. The clothes go to the plant, they are cleaned over there, they are ironed, they are nicely packaged. They are then delivered to the collection center the next day, and the collection center would then further deliver it to the customer and collect the money from there. So if I talk about Dhuliajan, which is spread roughly over a 20 square kilometer area, there's a potential of setting up 4 to 5 collection centers. So the biggest advantage for an area developer is that it's not only you who is working to bring business to your outlet or to bring business to your plant. There are 4 other entrepreneurs who are running these 4 collection centers who are also working with the same mission to generate as much laundry as possible. And this entire laundry would be getting processed at your plant. So not only are you working for yourself, there are these 4 collection centers who are working for themselves, but also working for you and ensuring that your store is always running at a peak capacity. So this model would very well work for such areas which are relatively smaller in size, because in case if there's a customer who wants transparency, who wants to see how the clothes are getting cleaned, the collection center can very quickly direct them to the plant. The customer can go there and it can give him the comfort level that she or he is seeking.
Very interesting. And you're sitting besides a beautiful store. You want to talk about that store? I mean, what is, and then it's very interestingly designed because there is a backdrop, there is a little outside area which looks like a delivery point or a collection point, and inside there is a full store. Anything which you want to talk about these state-of-art stores you have?
Sure. So very interesting that you brought up this question. This is an outlet located in Kadamanthra in Cochin. And there are few things that are very unique to Cochin. The first thing that I would like to talk about is that Cochin today is our most expensive city. So like we said that the pricing would vary from city to city. And today we are charging 120 rupees per kg for laundry, which is wash and iron in Cochin. And we are still relatively cheaper than the competition. So this is one special thing about this particular store. But if you look at the model, if you look at the picture, this is a representation of a typical Uclean store. The idea is that it works like an assembly plant model. So once the dirty clothes are collected from the customer's premise, when the delivery boy is collecting the dirty clothes, he gives a challan, and this is an automated challan, so that the customer gets to know, he gets an SMS which tells the customer that the delivery boy has collected 25 clothes or 30 clothes from the customer, so that the customer is sure that the count is right, and he can also reconfirm whether he has given 25 clothes or he has not given 25 clothes. Once the clothes are collected from the customer's premise, they come to the store where they are received by the store manager at the reception. The store manager then does a double check just to make sure that the clothes collected and the clothes being mentioned are aligned with each other. Thereafter, the clothes go to the washing machine. In the washing machine, they first go to the wash process and then they go through the dry process. The best part is that the washing machines that we are using, these are highly automated, highly smart washing machines. So there is no manual intervention that is required. You put the clothes inside the machine, you close the door, and thereafter there's a programming and control panel. So as a washerman, all you need to do is you need to program that machine, whether you want a hot wash, you want a cold wash, you want to add bleach, you want to add softener, what is the kind of temperature that you want. The moment you do that programming, thereafter, the basis your inputs, the machine itself decides whether the water needs to be heated or not, how much detergent needs to be pulled in, how much water needs to be pulled in, and how intensive the wash has to be. So now that once the wash and dry process is completed, the clothes then move to the ironing section, where the iron man would be carrying out all the ironing of the clothes. And from there, they move to the dispatch section, jahan par delivery boy will collect the clean packaged clothes, deliver it to the customer, collect the money, bring it back to the store, and the store manager will reconcile. So the idea is that we have completely eliminated the chances of things going wrong due to manual intervention, and we have automated it as much as possible.
Sure, very helpful, very helpful. And friends, we are going to be taking 2 or 3 more questions. So quickly do that. We're already over 4 minutes of a webinar, but because of a lot of questions coming in, I don't want to break it. So maybe another 2 or 3 questions go out. And Shubham has one question. He says, can we set up Uclean store at back end, which I think he's trying to do is not a front end looking store. Can it be a little bit of like what we are doing, dark stores or something of that nature? Is there an opportunity?
Yes, so that opportunity also exists. In fact, we have recently piloted that model also, especially in areas where the rentals are very high. So we have a couple of franchise partners who already had small properties that they owned. And unfortunately, the property was too small in size, but they had fantastic location. So in case there is a very convincing location, like there's a store location on a high street, which a particular entrepreneur owns, and he wants to use it to set up a Uclean collection center and then have a processing plant, which is say 500 meters away in an area where the rentals are relatively better and relatively under control, we can look at that model. So
okay, that's very helpful. So it's typically like a South Bombay where the rental is very expensive, but you have a premium crowd and they need a regular service. Especially in Mumbai, this is a big opportunity because people don't have that infrastructure at home and they would like to use the Uclean services, and that can be an opportunity to set up what I call a little bit of a dark store. But one has to be very careful because more you are visible, it might be helping you to do your customer acquisition and so forth. So I will also request friends, go out and put your city, which you are keen in, because Arnab can really see through the city because we have invited him, so he can really tell you where is the opportunity, where he wants to go aggressive. If some of you are interested in taking the area developer in a particular city, that also you mention it on the space. And so the whole purpose of this webinar is fruitful for you. So there is another Kalindi is asking question. He said, what about the clothes which leave color and how you manage that? Now, this is a typically one question which comes especially for women, because they're very worried about the quality and so on and so forth. And you want to talk about it? And
Sure.
especially people say, why don't you wash my whites differently and color differently? Because white has a chances of getting in that.
Sure, sure. So, very valid question. And so, what we do is, I would say the first part of the answer to your question is that the training is very intense. So, like I said, we take the complete responsibility of recruiting and training your team. And this would be one very important part of the training process, where we train the employees or the team members on how to identify various kinds of clothes, how to figure out which cloth could possibly bleed and which could not. And if there's a possibility that a certain cloth could bleed, it should always be washed independently of the other cloths. But having said that, obviously there is always a possibility that something could go wrong and some cloth might just partially bleed. So we also have this special adsorbent paper, which we always add along with every load. So this adsorbent paper is the special property that it absorbs any color that is being released by any cloth onto itself. So this adsorbent paper actually prevents the color from going to any other cloth, and it absorbs this color in the cases where the color bleeding is not very high. But in cases where the color bleeding is going to be high, that is where your team would be trained on how to identify such clothes and make sure that they are washed separately. And the same is also intimated to the customer.
Very helpful, very helpful. There's a lot of people are asking about the cities, and Upender is again the first one to do that. He's asked the maximum question. Upender, I was thinking of launching a special small gift for people who are most interactive on webinars, because Franchise India has done about 3,000 plus webinars. And today you are the one who's actually done and meaningful questions. So you will get your gift. So share your number with us or your details. We will be happy to ship you your gift. It might be a small token from our side, but it is important that you are somebody who's very involved in the webinar. There are other people who are also asking about minimum area required. Sifali Saha is asking for a minimum area required. So you want to go on a just give a little background, on the minimum area, which is Arnab, what is the area required?
Sure. So to be very honest, we have also set up outlets in places like Shimla, where finding bigger areas is a problem. So we have set up outlets in Shimla and in fact in Havada on areas as small as 120, 130 square feet. But what we have also noticed is that very quickly storage becomes a major challenge. Because fortunately, wherever you open a uClean store, you would realize that within 3 to 4 months, you start getting a lot of customers and the loads start piling up at the store. Hence, managing this particular load or managing without adequate storage would become a very big challenge in stores that are less than 200 square feet. Hence, my recommendation would be to ideally look at a location which is at least 200 square feet in size. The bigger, the better. But my recommendation, while we can do it, if you have a location which is much smaller, we can still discuss, we can still explore on how to set it up. But recommended location should have at least a 200 square feet area.
Absolutely. Then only you get the throughput coming in and you can give the comfort and experience to people. Mr. Sai Kumar has one quick question in terms of maintenance expenses and also overall investment. Just give a bracket quickly so that he might have joined late or something like that. So,
sure. So the overall investment, depending on the city and depending on the format that you're going for, would vary. But a typical uClean store can be set up on an area of 250 square feet in about 16 lakh rupees, which includes the equipment, the cost of setting up of the store, and the franchise fee. When it comes to maintenance, so I would like to also let you know that we work with a company called Alliance Laundry Systems, which is the world's oldest and world's largest commercial laundry equipment manufacturing company. And we provide you with machines from Alliance Laundry, which are very robust, which are very sturdy. Alliance Laundry in general, when they supply their laundry machines, they have a monthly maintenance charge of about 3,000 rupees per month. But because uClean today is the biggest sales channel, the biggest sales network for Alliance Laundry Systems in India. So that is why first year is absolutely free, covered under warranty. Second year onwards, also, you don't have to subscribe to any annual maintenance plan. Whenever the Alliance team is traveling and they keep traveling because of Uclean setups across India, they would also perform a free checkup of your machine whenever they are in your city. In case something goes wrong, the probability of that is not very high, but in case something goes wrong, then at that point in time, you can call the Alliance Laundry team. And depending on where your location is, they could be there within 4 hours to 48 hours. And for that, they will charge you 3,000 rupees.
Okay, so there is a full AMC available post opening. You have a full AMC available for first year. You don't have to. After that, if any breakdown happens, which is very rare, you have to pay that. So there are a lot of questions. I really appreciate you taking time out on Sunday, Arnab, and also answering peacefully the questions with our investors. And if you can be kind enough to put your direct number or an email for our guests so they can get in touch with you. So friends, this is an opportunity. This is an opportunity for all of you to send a quick WhatsApp to Arnab right away. And this is Sunday. He's not that busy. He might reply you immediately or maybe in a couple of hours. So if you send a WhatsApp to him that you are interested, people who are interested, where a lot of people are putting in, I'm interested in particular city. It will be great that you get in touch directly with the founder himself and set up a time with him, maybe 30-minute discussion on your city, your opportunity, where you want to do that and how you can do that. If you want to talk to a few people before you want to take a decision, you want to get into a retail industry, please do that. Make a wise decision whenever you want to do that. Take an opportunity to do that. Any last comments, Arnab, you would have?
Sure. So I would only say that while Uclean has seen a fantastic growth trajectory for the last 4.5 years, and we have been trying to organize a highly unorganized sector, the last 1.5 years, while not the right thing to say, but has been a blessing in disguise for Uclean in particular. COVID-19 has suddenly made people cognizant of the fact that they need to keep themselves, their clothes clean, hygienic, and sanitized, which has led to a sudden increase in outsourcing of laundry. But what also has happened is that because of the sudden fear that has been created in the minds of the people have also started moving away from the local unorganized dhobi or the local mom and pop operators to organized chain like Uclean, which guarantees them transparency, which guarantees them sanitization and hygiene. And that is why in 2020, while a lot of brands were struggling, we were able to operate and successfully launch 65 new franchise partners. 2021, COVID-19 continues to be there, continues to wreak havoc. And hence, I feel that there cannot be a better time to invest in the cleaning industry and a better time to invest in a brand like Uclean. And that is why we have curated special models which could suit the pockets of different people. And we would love to collaborate with franchise partners, especially with those who are looking at a multi-unit franchise opportunity, who believe that the cleaning industry is the right sector to enter into, and who have a vision that over the next couple of years, they would open multiple units and not stop at one.
Absolutely. And thank you very much. And there's one quick question from Gagan Ji. He's an independent franchise consultant with Franchise India, senior member with us. He has a question. If you want to be looking at first floor, have you tried store at a first floor?
Sure. So Pune, we have 7 stores. All the stores are on the first floor. Delhi, we have multiple stores on the first floor. Guwahati, we have. So the simple answer to your question is that we also have stores on the 4th floor, like in Powai, Mumbai. So as long as we have the electrical requirement, the water requirement, and the drainage requirements being met, we can be anywhere. It could be a basement, it could be a first floor, it could be a 4th floor.
Hope, Gaganji, you got an answer. So thank you very much, friends, and thank you for joining on Sunday. And we have got a very phenomenal response, and this is because of a lot of people requesting us for a low-cost opportunity, especially in laundry, and we wanted to bring back Arnab on a special request. So if you are interested, reach out to Arnab's number right away. I always say that whenever you finish the webinar, you have full knowledge and you want to take the discussions ahead, go out and put that, maybe a little bit of a profile and reach out to him. And Arnab, there are a few people who are also putting their numbers on the webinar. If you can want to do a quick, picture of that, so you can tell somebody in your team or yourself to reach out to these people.
Sure, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks for attending this. And over to Archana for a final thank you note.
So thank you so much, Arnav, for joining in today and talking about this great initiative. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gaurav sir, for taking all the queries and sharing your insights with us. Dear friends, thank you so much for coming on Sunday, attending this particular webinar. Do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 97176-83838. You can also write to us at feedback@franchisindia.in for any of the business query. Join us at the different social handles. Do share your suggestions and feedback because that will help us in improving our process. You wish to join Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am, you can join them. You can join them at their respective LinkedIn IDs. And today we want to invite you for our Bharat Franchise Show, which will start at 7 p.m. Again, we are bringing the top business opportunities from different vertical for each one of you so that you can get the understanding about different model. Do registration today at either at our business hotline number or at Facebook. And tomorrow under our 12 p.m. regular business opportunity with Chai webinar series, we are bringing for you Fash Deal. That's the brand from Gujarat. Team would come and talk about how you can start your grocery and daily needs retail market. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a safe day. I look forward to have you in our 7 p.m. webinar. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.